Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to make your Mac speak text. If you want your Mac to speak text aloud, whether for accessibility purposes, reading documents, or just for convenience, macOS offers a built-in feature called Speak Selection. Using this pretty handy feature, you can have your Mac read preferred text to you. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen, and then you have to choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and select the Accessibility option. This section contains features to enhance the accessibility on your macOS device. And under the Voice section, choose Spoken Content option. And under the Spoken Content section, find and turn on the toggle next to Speak Selection option. This will allow your Mac to read aloud selected text when you highlight it. And if you want to customize the voice and speaking rate, just click on the Voice section under Spoken Content. Here you can choose from a variety of voices and adjust the speaking rate slider to make the speech faster or slower based on your preference. And once you have perfectly enabled and customized this pretty handy feature, simply select any text in a document, web page or email. Then you can right-click or control-click on the highlighted text and choose the Speak option from the context menu. Your Mac will now read the selected text aloud. It's worth pointing out that for quick access, you can set a keyboard shortcut to start the Speak Selection feature instantly. In the accessibility settings, you can navigate to shortcut and assign a key combination like Command plus Option plus S, and that's pretty much it. Now you know how to make your Mac speak text aloud. Whether you are reading a long article or need help with accessibility, this feature makes it easy to have content read aloud. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.